Lesson 22, Accounting.
Accounting. Accounting.
Good accounting is needed in all businesses.
Accumulate. Accumulate.
They have accumulated more than enough information.
Asset. Asset.
The company's assets are worth millions of dollars.
Audit. Audit.
The independent accountants audited the company's books.
Budget. Budget.
The company will have to budget more money for this department next year.
Built up. Built up.
The firm has built up a solid reputation for itself.
Client. Client.
We must provide excellent services for our clients, otherwise we will lose them to our competition.
Debt. Debt.
The banks are worried about your increasing debt.
Outstanding. Outstanding.
She has outstanding debts of over £500.
Profitably. Profitably.
We invested in the stock market profitable.
Reconcile. Reconcile.
The accountant found the error when she reconciled the account.
Turnover. Turnover.
An annual turnover of $75 million. Word families, accountant. The accountant was precise and hard-working. Accounting. Accounting is a popular field of study, account. The client closed his bank account and withdrew all of his money. Accumulate. The owner's goal was to accumulate as much wealth as possible. Accumulation. The accumulation of goods may lead to an inventory problem, accumulated. The sum of all the accumulated resources equals your total assets. Audit. Some bookkeeping inconsistencies showed up when our records were audited. Audit. If you keep your financial records carefully, you will always be ready for audit, auditor. The tax auditor will ask to see records from the past several years. Budget. There was no travel expense budgeted for the editorial department. Budget. The boss asked for input on next year's budget, budgetary. Due to budgetary constraints, we cannot hire additional staff at this time. Build up. Over the years, our office has built up a solid list of clients. Build up. A buildup of debt will weaken the company's finances. Profit. The engineer will profit from the successful introduction of the new product. Profit. The profits exceeded all expectations, profitable. Marketing is the most profitable department this year. Word Practice, Part 1, Words in Context. Read the following passage and write the words in the blanks below. accounting, audited, accumulated, budget, assets, building, up clients, profitable, debt, reconcile, outstanding, turnover. Accounting information is pulled together or to help someone make decisions. A manager must come up with a to help control expenses. A retail store owner realizes that her have bills. A restaurant owner wants to know if it is to serve lunch. A nonprofit organization is being by the government. All of these people and organizations could use the services of an accountant. Accountants and systems help a company stay on track. They raise flags when expenses are, and keep an eye on the of inventory. Their clients' accounts to ensure that their clients' records are correct. Good accounting systems allow managers to come up with ways to improve their business. The accountant prepares information for both internal and external use. Financial statements provide a quick look into the life of a business. They show how much the company is carrying and how much it's are worth. The outside world uses this to judge the health of the company. Part 2. Incomplete sentences. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. 1. The firms studied finance and business administration. A. Account. B. Accounting. C. Accounted. D. Accountant. 2. The account manager has a tremendous amount of wealth in a very short time. A. Accumulated. B. Accumulation. C. Accumulating. D. Accumulates. 3. We went over our records carefully in order to prepare for the meeting with the A. Audit. B. Auditor. C. Auditing. D. Audited. 4. At the end of next week, all the division heads will meet to present one consolidated A. Budgeting. B. Budget. C. Budgeted. D. Budgets. 5. Some savings in my bank account before I made any investments in business. A. Building up. B. Build up. C. Built up. D. Build. 6. All the employees will benefit if the companies continue to increase. A. Profited. B. Profitable. C. Profits. D. Profitably. Part 3. Text completion. Choose the word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Wilson and Jones, Limited, Accountants. We specialize in small businesses. Are you having trouble reconciling your accounts? Do you need to improve your tax situation? Do you want to get out of debt and make your business? Wilson Jones, Limited, is a full-service accounting firm that can help small business owners like you with all aspects of your accounts. Our budget planning service will help you pay off debt so that you can start accumulating savings. Our tax service provides tax planning assistance, tax return preparation, and preparation for audits. Our bookkeeping service guarantees that your accounts are always up to date. Call us today for an appointment. You'll be out of the red and free of tomorrow. 1A. Profiting. B. Profitable. C. Profitably. D. Profiteer. 2. A. Client. B. Budget. C. Turnover. D. Outstanding. 3. A. Debate. B. Doubt. C. Debit. D. Debt. Part 4. Reading Comprehension. Questions 1. 5. Refer to the following letter. January 17, 20XX. Buzzy Accountants 128, Waterford Drive, New Hanover, Virginia. Dear Ms. Buzzy, I have just found out that my tax records will be audited by the government. I would like to hire someone from your firm to help me prepare for this. I run a small editing business which I started 5 years ago. I initially took out a loan from the bank to get my business started. My business has always been profitable, and I was able to repay the loan quickly. As of now, my business has no outstanding debts. My staff is quite small. I started out with one assistant, who is still with me. As I built up my client list, I hired a second assistant, who is also still working for me. Thus, I have not had a problem with staff turnover. In short, you can see that my business and financial situation are quite stable. I have always prepared my taxes carefully, and I keep thorough records. I imagine that this audit will be fairly routine. However, I want to be sure that I am correctly prepared for it, and I feel that hiring an accountant is the best route to take. Please call me so that we can discuss the matter. I can be reached at my office Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. One of my assistants is also usually in the office on Tuesdays and Thursdays and the occasional Saturday and will take messages for me. I look forward to speaking with you. Sincerely, Jonathan Stein. 1. Why does Mr. Stein want to hire an accountant? A. To prepare his taxes. B. To help with an audit. C. To get him out of debt. D. To help him stabilize his finances. 2. How many people work for Mr. Stein? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. 3. When is Mr. Stein in his office? A. Monday through Friday. B. Tuesday and Thursday. C. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. D. On occasional Saturdays. 4. The word profitable in the first paragraph, line 6, is closest in meaning to A. Large, B. In debt, C. Interesting, D. Earning money. 5. The words built up in the first paragraph, line 9, are closest in meaning to A. Constructed, B. Increased, C. Employed, D. Served.